How to fix Windows 11 lagging and slow problem. So if you want to fix your Windows 11 lagging or slow problem, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you just need to simply go with the gaming option. Click on gaming, and here on the right side you will have the game mode. Click on optimize your PC for play. And here if you've turned on the game mode, then you just need to simply go and toggle it off. Once you toggle off the option, now your problem will be fixed. And here on the left side, you just need to simply go with the system option. And here you just need to simply go with the storage option. Under storage, you need to have the storage sense option. So if you have the storage sense option, you just need to simply go to the right side of it and make sure to toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, then it will automatically free up space and delete the temporary files and manage locally available cloud content. So make sure to turn it on. And after that, you need to go with the apps section. Under apps, you need to go with the right side, and here you will have startup. So apps that start automatically when you sign in. Go with this option, and here if you have any options turned on, then you just need to simply go and toggle that off. So here you can see as I've already toggled off all of the options. So you just need to simply go and turn off. Once done, you just need to simply remove that and go with the search. Under search, you need to search for view system advanced settings. Click on it, and here you will get the system properties. And now you need to make sure that you are under the advanced section. Under advanced, you will have performance. Go with settings. And here you just need to simply go with the third option, which is adjust for best performance. So click on that and then go with apply and click on OK. And that's it. Now you just need to simply restart your device, and after restarting, your many problems will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Windows 11 lagging or slow problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.